Hello, good day, everyone. Happy Sunday to you all. Good day, good day. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. You are welcome to my channel. You are welcome. You are welcome. Those of you that is new here, please, after finish this my topic, please try and subscribe. As you do that, God will bless you. My whole subscriber, God bless you too. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. My new subscriber, God bless you too. I thank you all for your support. Somebody that is going to support you we never had you people in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you very much. Without you people, there will be no me. So I bless God for today. I thank God for today. So it's very important to thank God in anything you are doing. So today I say glory be to God. I thank you for a new day. Thank you for a blessed day. I thank Jesus for everything. So may we go. Now well done, now well done, now well done, now well done. So my topic when I bring on today, as we talk on before for year, this is my page now to talk about everything. To talk about everything. Things that will make us grow. Things where will make us say you will take small. You understand? Not be waiting you know, not be waiting me see no. You understand? So small when I know, I'll see they bring a comment. As I see they go people on. See go they learn there. You understand? So we they teach each other. Thank God say they don't bring all this internet so that what they learn for each other. God bless you all. So today's topic is about don't show your children how to lie. He say Mona not show una pikin how to lie. That be topic of today. Not show your children how to lie. Because now waiting you teach there, now I go follow the grow. The country say na normal thing. And not be normal thing. Now waiting you show am for house. When he go reach outside, he go say na so my mama they talk am. I know say inside in mind, he go say I know say this thing are real. But my mama they already talk and say no. Sometimes person you just they call you for phone. You say, my daughter, go and pick phone, go and pick the phone. Tell the person I'm not around. You don't show her to lie. The pikin don't pick there. And he knows say you dead there. He knows say you dead there. You don't tell her say I'm not around. Tell her say I'm not around. I don't want to talk to her. I'm not around. Tell her you don't show the pikin. The pikin will carry phone. Hello. My mommy is hello, is that? He go say it's me or name. He go say no, my mommy is not around. You don't show her lie. May I tell you one small story about me and my daughter. I only they use my whole software, they make example for this my page. But I know say I see they learn. My pikin, they 5 years. So they say from 3, if you did 3 years, you know they pay. From 5 years, you go they pay for bus. So one day I can't go. I saw the year for people, man, the time I never born. As I come, this pikin go reach 5 years, now carry enter bus. No enter bus. I reach there, I pay my all. The driver asked me, say, what about your daughter? Now I tell her, say, now 3 years a day. The man say, now my pikin just shout, mama, you know that 3 years old. She new complete 5 years now. Why me they say na 3 years? Now I say, no, not 3 years today. He said, no, 5 years a day. That driver tell me, say, you pay or you come down. See people for inside bus. See shame wey catch me that day. See shame. I quickly rush. I call down. I tell the driver, say, I lie, the pikin don't know. The pikin don't know, na 3 years a day. Driver say, pay or go. Me not go pay, me everybody come, they look me there. No, lie, me come down with shame. I come down with shame. I said, come down. I dey look this pikin. I wait for 30 minutes. I no fit talk. Say devil, the whole lady come they talk. He say, beat her. So one say, if you reach us, deal with her like this. The other one say, you don't know say na lie you dey show her so. Why you go beat her? Na lie you dey show her. One say you for tell her. You for tell her before you enter, say we'll tell this person say na 3 years you do, you agree. different thoughts come they come my mind, come they come my mind. Now I stand, as I stand, now I call the pikin. You see, they wait for another bus. Because me not come know wetin me want talk. The pikin they look me, see they talk, say they 5 years, missing nothing. Now I say, I can't use lie, whether na lie or trick. I can't say, my pikin saying, now I say, you don't complete 5 years. I can't do say me na mumu now. He say, mama, you know remember saying na 5 he put for cake that day. He can blow. And I say, nah, true too. Hey, the Spanish way the man speak for me, I don't understand that way. Now I say, nah, truth, nah, 5. He said, nah, the man, they ask you just now, whether na 5, now 5, they call 5. Now I say, yeah, I come do like mumu say, I don't know. I come say, okay, no verse. Okay, you be big girl now. You see? I be don't show the pikin. If na another person now, you go tell her, say, tell your pikin. Tell the driver, say, you be 5 years, you be 3 years. If you talk and go, beat you when you get home. Not be lie, you dey show. That spirit of lie, you can't build that into inside that pikin body. The pikin go start the lie with you for house. If you do something, you go say, mama, not be me do one. If you put this one, you go say, mama, not be me do one, because you don't show her to lie. You really show her to lie. Say anything will happen to say you don't know. Don't be say it happen. The pikin go they grow put. You go come talk to lie. If you risk you beat person, what they call her teacher go say, he see and nana beat. I go say na lie, not touch. He not touch. There is some children like that. What you see and see, you go say like lie, go deny, go they cry. You say no do one. You know, say that pikin spirit of lie don't enter body. What you suppose me you do, you're so free. Pray for that head. Say that spirit of lie, get that out of my son or my daughter. Because now you build that small way you don't know. Now you start that lie where you don't know. Say you they show the pikin how to lie. No good. Or if papa not there, you go say, you know, say we'll go visit this woman today. If we reach us, not tell your papa say we'll go, you don't show how to lie. Not tell your papa I need you. Not tell us I go this place. So you hear what they talk now. What did I tell you? You will say me repeat after you again. The pikin will call the repeater. You will say it again. You will call repeater. Or you buy something, you go say, not tell you pass I buy. Oh. Now those small things, what would they teach in a normal thing? Now they teach they lie. So that spirit of lie, you know, say lie na spirit, bad spirit. That spirit of lie go enter body. Without we don't know. We all they build our home with lie. Those small things will they tell them. You understand? So more na try. More na not build these children. More na not grow. More na not use na children. Test that lie. No, you tell them anything. Say tell them say it's like this. Tell them that I'm not. You say all this small lie when they talk. You are saying a small lie. Now that one you tell they show them everything. You buy shoe, tell your father that I did not buy the shoe. Tell your mommy that we did not go to parking. Or you tell your mommy that we go to parking. You see the small lie? You see the lie? Later now you say this my pikin can lie. Some children when they lie finish, devil will even say go shock for where they. He go shock, he go say, kai this pikin. Well, lie to lie. This pikin to lie. I say this pikin to lie, devil go shock. Because of the lie. Because na mama show am or na papa show am. You understand? Lie. The pikin will come be it will come perfect for the lie. It go say na normal thing now. If my mama do one, it go say my not talk. If it go say my talk, this one say if he go plan B house, he go tell her say na A will go. Tell your person na mama will go. Not tell her say na mama or faith house will go. You hear what they talk now. The pikin go say okay. Yeah. If you want see rich you still remember and you go see tell her. When pikin want be one talk, you go use that one like this. Okay, not talk. Oh, more na not show the lie. More na not build them with lie. More na not make them can't get that spirit of lie because now with the do one. They say charity begins at home. Na house, na the pikin for learn and not be outside. Not be saying at school. No, some say na school, the pikin for the learn now. Some say na school. Everything we learn, not me show am o. Na school for the learn now o. Na school people where they see, then they teach them. Now what you they do for house? Now what you they do for house? Now the pikin see when they do. Now what you they do for us? Now what you they talk? If you dey phone now, you dey house, the pikin they hear what you they talk. Hello, you go say, who there? You go say, na me oh, how you there? I dey fine. Where you there? You there, so you will say, no, are you there inside one supermarket that side? The pikin go look you like this. Hey, mama. The person will say, hey, I be think say you there, as I be one pass. No, 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 no. Are you there supermarket, far distance? If before I reach house, now you go reach 5 hours. You hear? No vex. See, tomorrow now, if I there, I will tell you, you hear. The pikin when you go drop finish, the pikin no go talk, you go dey look at mama. You go say, I be, you know, they understand the English. In mama, they talk, with their ask now, mama, some people, don't children see they ask their mama, you go say, mama, you go say you there, why you they talk, you know, there? I say, because I don't want that to come to my house. You see, say the pikin don't learn. Next time, if the pikin don't grow, he don't reach to the go outside, he go see light to you. Say, mama, he want go read for this side for my friend house. Not be ready, they go. He want follow boy, they go somewhere. Or you want follow a mate go drink, he want go smoke. Because now so you they tell him. Now so you see they lie. Now you show him. Now you be the owner of the lie. So the pikin go see lie, go say, mommy, I want to go and borrow notebook in my friend house, or we are going to read. You know, go there, go another place. Because now so you they lie now. Then later you will say, why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? No. Let your children trust you. Let them they come, they tell you many things. Okay? Okay? So please, Mona try, Mona they help on our children. Mona they train the way of God, train there to know more, train there to know God, train there to know to have fear of God, train there to have, not fear, respect. You understand me? God bless you all. Stay blessed. I will be coming with another topic. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe in this my channel. Please try and subscribe. If you like it, put like, please. Thank you very much. God bless you. I love you all. I will be coming with another one. Stay blessed. Wait for me. Be a good mother. Be a good father. Okay? Love you. Ciao.